What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be discussing it's going to be like a little bit of an update video on what exactly is happening in my product and what steps are to be taken next for me. Basically my product has just reached the Amazon FBA facility, and what I'm going to do now is try and get reviews for my product. Now with all this stuff going on now, you guys are probably wondering, like, how do I get reviews? How do I start figuring out how to rank my product? How do I start doing all these things I need to do before I launch it? There's these new things that are going on. It's called ManyChat, and basically you're going to be able to find you're going to be able to run Facebook ads for your product and get these initial people that buy your product to review them. And apparently it has a really cool open rate, like as compared to the email autoresponder. Some people said they get a open rate of like 19 or 20% as compared to emails, which are only 10% or so. So that's really good, because if you think about it, the ManyChat is going to be a messenger bot. So it's going to be messaging people on Facebook that buy your product, that subscribe to your page, and you're going to be able to connect with them more easily than compared to email. And the reason we want to use this is because if you think about it, a lot of people, when they get a message sent to them on Facebook, they're most likely going to look at it because they get that little notification at the top right corner of their screen of the messenger bot or for the messenger. So most people pull that up just to see what it is. So that's definitely something that we want to do, and that's what I'm going to be trying out. And basically how it works is, for like the reviews and stuff, you run a Facebook ad and you get people to buy your product initially. Now you can either run the Facebook ad using the coupon codes, or you can just run the Facebook ad saying like there's like a sale going on for your product. Now if you do use coupon codes, if you guys didn't know, if you have a sale that's above 49%, that means if they leave a review, it will be unverified. But for the reviews, we want to make sure that most of them are verified reviews, because those are weighted more when it comes to the algorithm on Amazon. So we definitely want to do those. Now the best thing that I suggest you guys do, if you want to make sure that you get verified reviews from these coupon codes, from these Facebook ads that you're running, just make sure that you don't go past like 40% off for the coupon code. That way, from what I've heard, you'll be able to get a verified review for that product, even if you use that 40% off coupon code. So that's definitely an awesome tool that you guys can use. Now there's another tool that you can also take advantage of, which is the early reviewers program for Amazon. Now apparently you have to have a brand registered for that, which kind of sucks. Especially for people that are just starting out, especially like I don't have the money or I don't have the time to do a trademark and everything right now. So I'm trying to get my product up. I'm trying to get my product on the marketplace. So sadly, that's only for brand registered people. I don't know why people don't talk about that when they're discussing their Amazon product. But that is something that you guys can consider if you are brand registered and trademarked. The other thing that you guys can do is there's another type of what is it called? I forget what it's called, but I think it was Amazon Discover. I don't remember, but basically you can use this tool where you're just going to email all these different reviewers that are signed up on Amazon on the American marketplace, and you get like a certain amount of coins or emails or something like that, and you get a giant email list, and you can email them asking them to buy and review your product. Now of course this is a little bit iffy when it comes to TOS, but honestly what we need to try our best to get as many reviews as possible before launch is what I'm going to be trying to do. But mainly I think I'm going to use that ManyChat method. I'm trying to message people via different chats and stuff without friending them. I'm trying to see if that still works. I'm just testing the waters here, trying to figure out what if there's a way to bypass Amazon's algorithm, or if everything's just fair game. Because honestly, I heard about this from a different video. There was this guy that did the startup program, or they did the early reviewer program, and he got 5 reviews from that, and they all got wiped by Amazon. So it's just like, what the hell, So if you do that, and that's completely within terms of service for Amazon, that's literally their program in order to get reviews, and it's getting wiped. So it's just like at this point, is there really any safe way in order to get reviews, right? So I'm going to be trying various different things. Let me know in the comments down below what might work for you, or what has worked for you, because honestly at this point, I'm still trying to figure that out, because I did have 2 of my reviews removed on my previous listing. So yeah. So going on to the next thing, which after you get all your initial reviews and everything, I'd say, especially with all this stuff going on now, I'd say try to get 3 to 5 reviews or so. Usually we wanted 10, and 10 wasn't really that hard over time, but now since they're removing everything, I think it's safe to say that we want to get 3 to 5, and maybe not try and get 10 initially, because if we do that, we're risking getting all the reviews just wiped really quickly. Now if we just get 3 to 5 reviews, it's not that bad. So I think we should just focus on that alone for now. And after we get those reviews, of course, make sure everything is optimized. That's what I'm doing. Go on Keyword Scout, Keyword Scout, go on Keyword Inspector. Use all these different tools. Make sure your listing is optimized as possible. Make sure you have all the backend keywords optimized. And then from there, in a combination with Amazon PPC, with what is it called? ZonJump, in combination with Facebook ads, I am going to be launching my product hopefully within the next week or so. And hopefully that's going to be an awesome journey, because I'm going to be showing you guys every step of the way. Thank you guys for any of you that stuck with me and heard what happened to my old product. But this is where I am right now. And from here, it's been a long journey, but hopefully everything goes as planned and stuff, because I've waited a very long time to just get my new batch in. But with this being said, moving forward, doing giveaways and stuff, I'm going to be doing that through ZonJump, and once I have everything put together, I'll show you guys exactly all my templates and everything. I just need to set all that up now, because I just discovered ManyChat, that Facebook tool, so I'm going to start using that. And what I'm going to do is, so for ManyChat and ZonJump, they're going to be asking you for links and stuff that you want to promote. For the Facebook ads as well. So you're going to want to be promoting your product, your link. Now guys, when you actually do that, make sure that those links that you give, that you put in, are actually optimized, and they're actually they're super URLs. That's what you want to be using. And how I'm going to do it is, I'm going to be using my storefront URL with the keyword that I want to be ranking for. Literally, if you want to rank for your product, if you want to give yourself that extra advantage for your keyword, for your algorithm, for the Amazon algorithm for your product, make sure that the links that you are using to promote your product for giveaways or whatever, Facebook ads, make sure that it is a storefront super URL. I made a video on this, so basically all you have to do is type in a certain keyword, and then you put it in your storefront, and you take that link and then you put it wherever. Even if you are giving this link to reviewers, it is okay, because it doesn't have a timestamp or anything. It's really trackable. So give that to whoever it is. And remember, for this launch, we solely want to rank for those keywords. After the launch, that's when we can start worrying about the Amazon's Choice badge, and do more Facebook ads by doing that. And basically how we get that is we use another type of super URL that has a that links to the add to cart button for your product. So it's very simple, guys. I already created a video on that, but you guys can look that up for yourself. And it's very useful. Both these tools are very useful. Not a lot of people know about them, and it's going to give you that extra advantage when you're launching your product as compared to somebody else that's not using them and simply just using, you know, the direct link to their Amazon product. So with that being said, guys, that's all I really wanted to talk about for this video. It's a really short, you know, good update on what I'm doing now, and you know, all these cool tools that I discovered, and you know, just my whole process of what I'm gonna be doing step by step. So make sure you guys like down below, make sure you subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. I have tons of templates down in the description on how you can get started with Amazon FBA. And on top of that, I show you guys exactly how to, you know, create great product descriptions and bullet points, and also, you know, talking about how you do pictures and everything. So you know, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and tell me what you want to see next. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.